Menteri Katara Kakoi Kakia Jong Jylla nek arpo terik unaila ahaja arpo ula pente bekidan hadu shispa arpendringot kibiyo COVID-19 tang nek sengi. Nagini ki shispa arpendringot kibiyo thamai shispa arpendringot kidei na RiKhasi district hakabasan ngut kidei na Ganesh Das Hospital iwe na Rilbong sapwe ngut naka armed force Katwe ngut ki random testing na kli yodo, shipho ngut ki random sampling na Motpran, Kalai ngut ki random sampling na Anjali, San ngut ki random sampling na Police Bazaar Khandailat, but iwe inongpang OPD na RB Chess Hospital. Kiwe par kilong khat arngut na West Garo Hills District ki bakintub ya shipho ngut ki shipai BSF, but arngut ki random sampling na Tikri Kela. Iwe na East Garo Hills District, Hindre ngut na Ribhoy, ki bakintub ya san ngut ki buan phai na bar Jylla, but iwe ide contact tracing, but iwe par ide ibatre ha Corona Care Center, ibana West Jylla Hills District.
The cases for today, we had this 126 cases detected today. 126. East Castles alone, 106. 5 from Ganesh Das Hospital, all staff. 1 from Rilbong, is a central government health workers. Then 41 armed force, 3 CRPF, 16 BSF, 11 the random sampling from Cleo, 10 random sampling from Motpran, 13 random sampling from Anjali, 5 random sampling from Police Bazaar, 1 OPD patient from the RB Chess Hospital. From West Garo Hills District, 10 BSF, 2 random sampling from Tikri Kela. East Garo Hills, 1 is returnee. Ribhoy districts are 6, 5 returnee, 1 is tracing contact. West Jylla Hills, 1 from health workers of the MCH Jowai, Corona Care Center.